Hi, what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I am going to show you guys how to delete custom ringtones if you are having trouble of doing it through iTunes, and if it's not on here, and if it's still on your iPhone. I am going to show you how to do it today. So the website you have to go to is to iPhoneBox.com and go and download it and choose this file right here. Click on download and save. After that, then you have to put it into your applications folder, and you have to trust the application. And after all that, open up the application and make sure your phone is connected, and go to raw file system and go to the iTunes folder right there and go to ringtones, and you should see it right there, the M4R files, and you have to select them and right click and click on the delete button, and there you go. And that's how to delete custom ringtones if you are having trouble of deleting them through iTunes. And I hope this video did help you guys out, and if it did, and please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and more gaming videos, and more unboxings and reviews, and more Adventure Time plush videos. Please comment and rate this video, and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and please make sure to turn on the notification bell for new videos. And now this will be Alexander Bosko signing off, guys, and peace out. Bye.